channel once again. So since morning I was a little busy and now it's around 12 o'clock. I just removed my rollers because in the evening I have somewhere to go. I'm going to pack and then later in the evening redo a little bit of my hair. हमको इनको थोड़ा सा और टच अप दे दूंगी. अभी मैंने वॉश किए थे ना तो उसलिए मुझे थोड़े से ड्राई तो करने पड़े. एंड आई जस्ट ड्राइड, आई हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग एल्स. और मैंने सिर्फ रोलर लगाया हुआ है. और अब आई वॉज गोइंग टू डू माई स्किन केयर. आई वॉज गोइंग टू डू माई स्किन केयर एंड आई थॉट दैट लेट मी शो यू. This is my morning skincare routine. So first I apply my toner. This is a toner that I don't have a very detailed skincare routine and I can't make a separate video. So I thought कि मैं इसी में आप सबको दिखा देती हूँ. And उससे जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि स्किन केयर दिखा दो, कोई स्किन केयर नहीं है, ये बस मेरे डॉक्टर ने जो चीज़ें मुझे बोला है. आई जस्ट टेंड टू डू दैट. हाँ, आई टेक इट ऑन द पैड, टोनर को थोड़ा सा like 3-4 drops and then just like dab it on my skin. ठीक है. So where was I? कॉल आ जाते हैं ना, मतलब I lose my flow. मेरे को ऐसे भूल ही जाता है मुझे बोलना क्या है. ज़्यादा कोई स्टेप्स नहीं है मेरे, यही है जो है. While I was finishing the toner part, मुझे कॉल आ गया था. This is the vitamin C serum that I use. सुबह I use vitamin C and रात को I try to use hyaluronic acid. This is by Ses Derma. अगर आप लोग चाहते हो and you want to know the products and everything, so I'll just link it in the description box. But ये है कि everyone needs to find अपनी स्किन के अकॉर्डिंग ना. अगर हम खुद जो हम इंटरनेट पे देख लेते हैं और फिर हम वही करना शुरू हो जाते हैं, सो आई डोंट रिकमेंड दैट. सबकी स्किन टाइप्स अलग होती हैं, सबको सब कुछ नहीं सूट करता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे खुद आधी से ज़्यादा चीज़ें ऐसे नहीं सूट करती है. सो आई डोंट लाइक गो ऑन थिंग्स दैट आर ट्रेंडिंग और लाइक स्किन केयर स्पेशली. मेकअप आप कर लो ट्राई. So now I'm going to apply my moisturizer. This is also again recommended by my dermat. I use different moisturizer for winters and for summers I have a different one. Now I'm going to apply my sunscreen. This is again a doctor recommended sunscreen. I have been using this sunscreen from almost 5 years. Like it's that crazy. I love this sunscreen. Skincare is done. That's all for my skincare. I don't do anything apart from this. लिप ऑयल लगा लेती हूँ जस्ट टू हाइड्रेट माई लिप्स. लिप्स को भी मॉइस्चराइज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. माई स्किन केयर इज डन. नाउ वी आर रेडी और अब पैकिंग का काम करते हैं. आई जस्ट पैक माई हैंड बैग राइट नाउ एंड आई थॉट आई जस्ट स्टार्ट द व्लॉग. सो या, hello guys. Now I think I'm going to pack my handbag and I thought I'll just show you what all I pack in my handbag. This is the bag that I'm going to carry and I'm just gonna keep it here. Wait, I need to move you guys a little bit. तो ये वाला बैग मैं लूँगी एंड एक बहुत बड़ी परेशानी है मुझे और वो ये है कि आई डोंट हैव अ बैग जिसमें जिप हो. I have like 5-6 tote bags or none of them have a zip. Like even if I have to think about practicality, where the hell was my head when I was buying a bag? Because now sometimes when I think I need my things to be secured in a bag, they are not at all secured. And the type of person that I am, मैं इतनी clumsy हूँ कि I literally will go around throwing my bag anywhere. So this is the next move that we're gonna make. I have to buy a bag with a zip. So the first thing I'm gonna put in my bag is my sunglasses. पहले जो मैं travel के लिए पहनूंगी. I have these new glasses. I'm going to wear them. See, this is why. तो wet wipes तो मुझे मिले नहीं. I'm just going to add wet wipes to my Blinkit list. फिर last में सब order कर लूँगी. I have wet wipes, but वो बड़ा वाला packet है and I don't want to make my bag heavy. No. अब wet wipes are ordered. Now I have this mini pouch. इसमें I'm going to put on the go वाली lip glosses because lip gloss or maybe on the go makeup touch up. I don't need a lot of makeup when I'm traveling. Like हाथ में makeup रख के क्या ही करूँगी. तो like just lip gloss and all क्योंकि मेरे lips बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाते हैं तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें इसमें डाल देती हूँ. lip gloss डाल देती हूँ. एक tinted lipstick एक lip balm. This is my favorite gum. This I'm going to keep. 2 pocket perfumes cause there's no space in that. Then for content, I'm gonna keep this. I like this. It's very helpful. I don't know if you know this. You can put it behind your phone and take pictures. I have to pack my makeup pouches also, जो कि 4-5 makeup pouches होते हैं मेरे, तो वो भी करना पड़ेगा. I think वो मैं कल सुबह कर लूँगी, है ना? That I'll do in the morning. अभी I have a lot of things to do. एक clutcher रख देती हूँ. I just put it on the bag. And Party Smart just in case. My AirPods. These are the money envelopes we have made, which says lots of love. Which says lots of love from Anmol and Pragati. Jewelry wallet is left. This is something I got from Amazon, and this is such a helpful thing because Dyson जब भी आप लेके travel कर रहे होते हो, the problem is आप उसको किस में डालोगे, है ना? You can't carry the whole box with you. तो मेरे पास कुछ उसको store करने को नहीं था. I found this thing on Amazon and I just think it is very useful. I'm going to put my Dyson in this. It has this. Here I can put my Dyson. Like my hair stick can go here, so I can put all the hair accessories in this, including my hairbrush. So the best part is like this is completely something that is dedicated to my hair and I don't have to look for anything elsewhere. This is the hair kit. This is ready. Clothes are all on my couch. इसको मुझे बस उठा के सीधा suitcase में डालना है. That's it for now. अभी मुझे ready होना है 1 घंटे में. And I'll meet you when I'm getting ready to go out tonight. I still have to decide what I have to wear. That is the most difficult part. Despite ordering so many clothes, when it's time to step out, कुछ भी नहीं होता है आपके पास. I'm sure this happens with all the girls. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you when I'm getting ready to go out. So this is the dress that I wore. पूरी look मैं आपको एक बार ready हो जाऊँ उसके बाद दिखाऊँगी. Nothing fancy, it's just a sit down dinner, and this dress is from Bershka. I got it from Bombay last year. Haven't worn it even once. ठीक है, blush लगा लेते हैं अच्छे से. I'm not feeling 100% confident in this, so I might change. I was not very comfortable in that outfit. Better that I don't regret my outfit there. तो मैंने उठ के change कर लिया. As it is microbladed है तो मुझे ज़्यादा need नहीं होती इनको छेड़ने की. But थोड़ा सा foundation लग जाता है, then I will like kind of fix them. हम भी बात करते करते हम गए हैं इतनी बार. कोजी बॉक्स चल लो इससे अच्छा. Mascara is done. Now I just have to put my blush on and we are good to go. Blush हो गया. I'm ready और ये रही मेरी full look. This is the makeup I did. Kept it little minimal. This is the top. I love the back. निकल पड़े हैं हम लोग और where are we going?
The first floor.
So makeup इतना अच्छा तो नहीं हुआ है वैसे आज. You wanna say hi? Oh. You wanna say hi? Are we going to Dehradun tomorrow?
Yes.
Sure. And once I reach the location, I'm going to show you my full fit. It's a basic top that I'm wearing from Zara. Chalo now, I'll see you once I reach the restaurant. got back and now I'm going to take out my makeup. It was such a good night. I'm going to dye my hair and take off my makeup. It's 2 in the night and I'm going to sleep now. पहले makeup हटा लेते हैं. This is the makeup remover that I use. I pump enough of the makeup remover and like slowly take it out. Remove. उसके बाद I'm going to take this face wash. It's from Shiseido and it's a foaming face wash. I'm going to take this face wash and like gently. Today I showed you my morning face routine. Now I'm going to show you my nighttime. And this is my hyaluronic acid again as recommended by my dermat. I'm going to put this on my face. I use hyaluronic at night under my eyes. The hyaluronic and vitamin C are very important. तो ये दो तो लगाना ही लगाना चाहिए. The same moisturizer that I applied in the morning. Top it all off. I'm going to use this from Victoria's Secret. And now it's pretty late. I'm going to go and get into my bed. I'll see you tomorrow now. Hi guys, it's a new day. Today is a Monday and I didn't film at all yesterday because I literally left my house for a workout and then later came back home around 1 o'clock in the night. So I had no plans of filming the workout, so I didn't have my camera with me and उसके बाद मैं कुछ film नहीं कर पाई because camera नहीं था मेरे पास. I have a stuffy nose because I'm allergic to AC, just by the way, putting that out there. मुझे बिल्कुल AC सूट नहीं करता है. It's not like I don't feel hot, मुझे बहुत गर्मी लगती है तो AC मुझे सूट नहीं करता है. So like when I wake up and also when I sit in the AC मैं ऐसे blocked nose के साथ घूमती हूँ. So anyway, back to what I did yesterday. So I had gone out for workout with my friend and then after the workout we went to get coffee. उसके बाद our husbands decided to pick us up and then we went for lunch. लंच करने के बाद हम लोग गए शॉपिंग करने. मेनली आई वेंट टू नायका और मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लिया है. आई शो यू व्हाट आई गॉट. आई जस्ट गॉट अ फ्यू थिंग्स. सो वी डिड शॉप. उसके बाद आफ्टर शॉपिंग ऑल्सो आई डिडंट कम बैक होम एंड चेंज. वी लिटरली वेंट to watch a movie in the same workout outfit, but like it was a Sunday and हम लोग काफ़ी chill. We wanted to just like chill, no stress. So that's what we did. It was good. It was a good fun day though. We went to watch Dhamal 4, which was a very very bad movie. We left it like halfway only. So interval में we got up and came back. और किसी में patience ही नहीं थी to watch it. So did that. Or for later we came back home, chilled for a bit, and around 2 o'clock or something we called it a night. My husband's gone to Dehradun. I skipped on this because I thought I do have a lot of work, though I didn't plan on going. My husband is gone today morning, early morning, and he shall return tonight. And then tomorrow morning we leave for Ranthambore. I had to do a lot of things today. So yeah, that is that. And I just thought I'll update you what happened yesterday because I was not carrying my camera at all. Today, yes, I'm going to go for my nails and for my eyelash extension, so I thought I'll take you along. So yes guys, I thought before heading out, let me just show you what all I bought yesterday. I went to the Nykaa store. This is the first thing that I bought. This is a hairspray that we use. It's from Schwarzkopf Session Label and it's the Stronghold. ये खत्म हो गया था तो I had to buy this. Next we have this face wash. Wait, इसके बहुत अच्छे reviews हैं, उसने ये बताया. So अभी मैंने use नहीं किया है. I'll start using it tonight and let me see कितना अच्छा है. So this is the face wash that I bought. और इसके साथ they gave me a very cute pouch. This is also from Estee Lauder and look at this. This is so cute. I love this. I can use this for my medicines and all. मेरा medicine pouch काफ़ी पुराना हो गया, so I think I'll just put my medicines in this. So this, and then this is the last thing that I got. I wanted to try this from a while now, and I just thought let me get it क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सुना है इसके बारे में. This is a stick foundation. This is the first time ever I'm going to use a stick foundation. I hope I like it. Let me swatch it for you and show you how it is. It's like perfect. This is my shade. I'm in the shade 2N, and if you can see, it matches very well with my skin tone and I love it. वाइट के ऊपर पॉलीक्रोम आगे आगे दिखा दो, वो दोनों दिखा दो, उसमें से देख लेते हैं क्या ज़्यादा
समय बस शाइनी
वाइट so good. So my eyelashes were done, and this is what I got for my nails, basic ombre. And now I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you liked the vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.